exercise number 1.2 we did. But before we start with the exercise that only, we'll revise it with the once and we'll pray a little bit. Okay? All of you join your hands, children. Yes? Okay. Close your eyes. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We are praying to the Lord for our wellness and for our studies. Yes, we are praying to the Lord. Now we'll move on to our exercise. We did the first, second and third exercise. Third problem, fourth problem also we completed. Fifth also we completed. Which is the fifth problem? The difference between the highest number and the lowest number. We completed that. Now we'll move on to the fifth problem. Okay? We'll move on to the fifth problem, children. All of you? Okay? Okay. What is the fifth problem? A merchant had a machine on an average, the manufacturer 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? What they are telling? A machine on average manufacturing. What is it manufacturing? Screws a day. Adhe martidi ಎಷ್ಟು manufacture martidi 2,825. Then how many screws did it manufacture for the year, for the January 2006? So what we have to do, children? Okay, 6. Okay, exercise number 1.2. Exercise number 1.2, children. Okay, sixth problem. A machine manufactures screws a day is equals to 2,825. Okay, 2,825. Then how many screws did it produce in the month of January? In the month of January, in the month of January 2006. Okay, till 2006 January they are telling. So how many months are there for the year? 12 months we have. Yes, we have a 12 months. What we have to do, children? We have to just multiply these two numbers. We have to just multiply this. Okay, how many months we have in the year, children? 12. Okay, but they are telling that in the month of January, how many it produced? January guess days irtava 31 days. In January we have 31 days. So what we have to do? We have to manufacture multiply by what? January month. Okay, what they are telling? They are telling that in the machine, okay, in the factory, what they are doing? They are manufacturing one product. Okay, per day, how much they are producing? How much they are manufacturing? They are manufacturing 2,825. Okay, they are manufacturing that much only per day. But what they are telling, in the month of January, how much it produced? Angare eshtaagtೈತಿ ನಮ್ಮ January ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ? 31 days. So what we have to do? In the month of January we have 31 days. So 31 into per day manufacturing. 31 into per day manufacturing. Multiply these two. Multiply that two. 2,825 into 31 we have to do. Okay, I told you how to make a rough part. Okay, in all of you in your classwork you have to make one rough part. What all calculation will be, you have to do there. Okay, rough part, right? These all solving problems you have to solve it here roughly with pencil. If you want, use pencil and solve. Okay, copy this all, children. We'll calculate next part. Next, multiplying these two. Okay, we'll start multiplying now. 2825 into 31. Okay, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2. Okay, multiplication you all know now. 5 3s are 15, 1 will be carry here. 3 2s are 6, 1 carry 7. 3 8s are, how much 3 8s are? 24. 2 will be carry here. 3 2s are 6 again plus 2. 6 plus 2 will be 8. Now add these two children. How much we get? 5, 7. Okay. 7 plus 7 will be 14, 15. Okay. 1 carry here. 6, 7, 8. 87,575. Exactly we got how much? We got 87,575. For the 31 days, how much it produced? For the month of January, it produced 87,575. This part you have to write in the rougher section. Okay, I told you that side in your book, make one column like this. Okay, this is your book. Margin you have. Okay, you have a margin now. In this part, you have to write neatly what all things are important, like statements you have to do, and like these all things you have to do. This also you can solve it here, but roughly if you don't have any confidence, like if you don't know the tables, that all things, that all roughly works you have to do here. Okay, this is the rougher side. In your maths book, all of you do like this only. No changes. Okay, after that don't tell me that we forgotten ma'am. We don't know how to do that. That all reasons I don't want. Okay? Okay children. So answer is the machine. Last statement we have to write like this. A machine manufactured a product in the month of January 2006 is how much? We got 87,570. Yes, we got 87,575. This is the answer. Okay children, this is the sixth answer. Write it correctly. Next question, seventh one. Write down the question. Write down the question children. Next question, seventh one. A merchant had a ₹78,592 with her. She placed an order of purchasing 40 radio sets at 1,200 rupees each. Aki ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಆಕಿ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 78,000 ಅದಾವ ಆಕಿ ಕಡೆ. ಆಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ದ 40 ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ 40 ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಆಕಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ 1,200 ಈಚ್ ಐತಿ. How much money will remain with her after purchasing? Okay, simple ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ ನಾನು. I am not starting my problem. Just I am explaining in a short way. Okay, seventh one. Okay, a merchant had. Okay, ಆಕಿ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ ರೊಕ್ಕ? Total amount. Okay, total amount she have 78,592. She have. Okay, she planned to purchase a radio set. Okay, she planned to purchase a radio set. How many? 40 sets she wants to purchase. Each radio set cost how much? 1,200. Okay, 1,200. So after purchasing these many radio sets for each this much money, how much money will be remained in this? How much money will be remained in this? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to multiply. Start multiplying these two. We have to multiply these two. We get one answer. Okay, we get some answer. We get Yes, we get answer. After getting answer, what we have to do? We have to minus with this. We have to minus. We get the remaining amount. We get the remaining amount. Always when we are solving the statement problems, like a word problems, we have to think like this and then start solving. Then only you can understand and you can easily solve that. In question only they will give the answer. In question only easily we can calculate there only. But tricky type they will give. Okay? Tricky way they will ask you. Okay, now we'll start our problem now with the statement way. Okay, seventh problem. A merchant had a amount is 78,592. Okay, she have an amount like this. She placed an order of radio set for 40 sets. Okay. Each radio set cost is 1,200 rupees. We have to forget rupees. Okay. Each carries how much? 1,200. Then what we have to do first? We have to multiply. Okay. We have to multiply this. Okay. Now start multiplying, children. 1,200 into 40. 0 0 is 0. 0 0 is 0. 0 0 plus 0 0. 4 2 is 8. 4 1 is 4. 48,000 we got. 48,000 we got. How much we got? 48,000. Here I will write here. 48,000 she got. For how many sets? For 40 sets. For rupees 1,200 she got 48,000. Aki rokdaginno naviki ishtu kharchu madidangare ಈಗ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ amount ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಂಗಾರೆ? So what we have to do? We have to just minus now. Just subtract the amount. Can I rub this? Please copy this, children. Copy this. Neatly I want like this only. Okay, the next part is now the remaining amount is, what we have to do? We have to minus rupees 78,592 minus rupees, how much we got, children? We got 48,000. Okay, these two we have to minus. How much we get, children? Minus it. 78,592 minus 48 minus these two. 29,503. We got how much? 30,592. 30,592. So the remaining amount is 30,592. Okay, 592. Copy this, children. Write neatly like this only. Step by step I want. Everything will be neat, and for all answers I want that part. Okay, complete like this only. Right. Next one, we'll move on to the next problem. Can I rub? 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes to complete. Next one, 8th problem. Start writing 8th problem. Okay, I will read it. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of 56. ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಎದರಿಂದ ಕಿ ಅವ 56 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ 65 ಇಂದ. ಓಕೆ, a student have a one number. Okay, he had to multiply this number with a 56. Okay, but he did a wrong thing, that is he multiplied with a 65. Then what answer he will get now, and what answer he will get from this, we have to find out the difference between these two. We have to find out the difference between that two. Okay, only simple thing. What we have to do, children? First we have to multiply these two and we will get one answer. We have to multiply these two, we get one answer. After getting these two answers, we have to just find out the difference. Find out the difference. Okay, here no need of writing anything, just we are writing the a student short away. No need of writing that whole things. Student multiplying the number. First what we have to do? First 7236. She is multiplying with the 65. Okay, we will also multiply from this only. 7236. I am doing in the rougher side, see children. Okay, multiply with the 65 now. 6 5s are how much? Okay, 30. Okay, 3 5s are last answer. I will tell you calculation. We get 470,340. Okay, listen, calculate these two, you will get this much only. Okay, 4,70,340 we get. Yes, we get. If you want, start multiplying now only. Okay, 3 6 are 30, 3 will be carry here. Okay, the 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 will be 18, 5 2s are 10, 11, 5 7s are how much? 35 plus 1, how much? 36 we get. Like that, all the two numbers we have to multiply, we get 4,70,340. Like this we have to multiply, we get the answer 4,70,340. Okay, like this we have to multiply with another number. Which is that number? 7236 into 56. This is the real number. Now this also we have to multiply. This also we have to multiply. We get here 4,05,216 we get. Okay, after getting first figure out, second 7236 into 56. What is the answer? 4,05,260. We got both the numbers, both the answers we got. After that, we have to find out the difference. They told to find out the difference. They told to find out the difference between that two numbers. What not difference? They are telling to find out which is the greatest number. How much we get answer with a greater number. What we have to do? We have to just minus these two numbers, the first and the second. 4,70,340 minus 4,05,260 minus these two numbers, children. Complete this. Okay, minus this one, and we'll continue with that in the next class. I will tell you how much answer we will get in this. Okay, you also try this, how much difference we get and which is the greatest we get. Okay, compare these two. This is the greatest, children. The first case, when we multiply with a 65, we get a more number. When we multiply with a 56 number, we get a lesser number. Okay. So find out this difference, and next continuation we will do it in the next class. Okay. Please practice this and complete this in your classwork. Don't write wrong things in that. Statement and spellings, everything will be correct and neat. Okay. We'll continue with the next class, children. Okay. Revise it in the home. Bye, children.